Okay, I'm installing a catch can made by these folks on my 2015 Genesis Coupe Ultimate 3.8, and it's looking like it's going to be easier than I suspected it might be. So far, all I've done was disconnect the hose from here, route it back down underneath the heater hose, and then connected it to the inlet of the catch can. Okay, so now I have added the piece of the supplied hose here, routed it underneath this wire, connected it to the outlet right there. Next, now that I've test fit that, I am going to pull it all apart and drill some mounting holes in the side of the tray and call it done.